So oga, we don't dey here make you dey take us round wetin dey happen here.
So as you can see, this is shower glass hinge. They call am hinge because e dey open both ways, go inside and outside. And according to madam, she said she want everything make it unique well well. Na why we use this black accessory, because all the accessories sef wey she wan use for inside the bedroom na black. So na why we use black accessory and with tempered glass wey dey here. All the black accessory they are all direct from factory, as you can see. Maybe the one wey dem paint. So and this one na 5 feet.
Shower two na 5 feet.
Yes, na 5 feet.
Okay. So oga, this particular glass, so you say na 10mm tempered glass.
Yes.
So dem fit use any other glass outside this one, maybe the one wey dey higher than 10mm.
No, this na the direct normal size thickness for glass wey be say you go use, wey you go enjoy well well, because all the accessory wey dey, especially the hinges, they are designed for 10mm glass.
Okay.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere wey you dey watch us. My name na Bello Ayobami.
So oga, make you tell our viewers wetin you dey into.
I dey do all kind of aluminium windows, EBM, sliding casement, and all aluminium door. Anything pertaining aluminium, I dey do am. I dey do all kind of handrail, stainless steel handrail, glass handrail, glass staircase. I dey do am, and I dey do shower glass cubicle and shower glass.
Okay. So this particular place on this one, now which work you say make we come check?
We come here, come do frameless shower glass wey we produce with 10mm tempered glass.
Frameless shower glass and 10mm tempered glass.
Yeah.
Now you make use of. So oga, what you go tell our viewers from this platform wey they patronize you and the one wey give you this particular work?
To all our viewers, both one wey don give us work and the one wey dey see the plan say in the future they wan give us work, and to the madam wey give us this work, we say thank you, we really appreciate you, and may God continue to bless all of una as una dey watch us and dey patronize us.
Okay, so our viewers all over the world, Jabola say thank you for the patronage. So oga, we don dey here make you dey take us round wetin dey happen here.
So as you can see, this is shower glass hinge. They call am hinge because e dey open both ways, go inside and outside. And according to madam, she said she want everything make it unique well well. Na why we use this black accessory, because all the accessories sef wey she wan use for inside the bedroom na black. So na why we use black accessory and with tempered glass wey dey here. All the black accessory they are all direct from factory, as you can see. Maybe the one wey dem paint. So and this one na 5 feet.
Shower two na 5 feet.
Yes, na 5 feet.
Okay. So oga, this particular glass, so you say na 10mm tempered glass.
Yes.
So dem fit use any other glass outside this one, maybe the one wey dey higher than 10mm.
No, this na the direct normal size thickness for glass wey be say you go use, wey you go enjoy well well, because all the accessory wey dey, especially the hinges, they are designed for 10mm glass.
Okay.
Although other people dey use 8mm, but we no dey use am. Direct na 8mm we dey use. Na direct 10mm we dey use.
And get the belief say 10mm e go serve and e no go get issue.
You know, e go serve well well, nothing go do am. Just be say if you dey use am maybe once in a week or twice, just dey wash am, e no dey drop, e no dey do anything. And as we don temper the glass, maybe say something small thing go just hit am come break. No, see am, nothing go do am. Na like this e go dey, because we don tamper, and if you wan break, e dey just shatter come down.
Okay, so oga, you don see lead us to another place. You fit see quickly tell our viewers the difference between the glass wey dey tamper and the one wey dey no tamper?
As I said earlier, as e don tamper now, e don strong well well. E no go easily break at all. No be say as you say na normal glass now, as we don tie this thing now, before you see e don break. So and this one now is very very safe for use because e na tamper. But the one wey dem no tamper is not safe, because any small thing, if e break come hit person, the injury will be plenty thing, but as you don tamper am now, if this thing wan break now, e go just shatter come down, and the injury go just be minor.
Okay. So oga, make you dey tell our viewers this particular one wey dey here, wetin e cost?
This one now, as e be 5 feet, na 300,000.
300,000.
Yes, with black accessory.
With the accessories wey follow am.
Yes.
Okay. So now the black accessory make am,
yes, make am be like that. Yes.
So that one the one you wan show us?
Yes, we get other one.
Okay, take us round.
So for here, we dey talk earlier. Here we have 4 feet for here, the same hinge. Na im be black accessory, everything as e be for the other side. Na im dey here too, as you can see. Na direct black factory, the handle, everything. If anything touch am, you just clean am. But this one na 280,000. Cause say na 4 feet by 7 feet, na 280,000.
Okay, so this one, the size dey lesser.
Yes, and the other one. Yes, and e dey also open, go inside, and say na outside you wan open am through, you are free. As you can see, very soft and open both ways, and you close am back.
Okay, and you say na 280,000.
Yes.
Okay, we continue.
So for here also, na still the same 4 feet. Now you have for here black accessory, everything. So this, the purpose of this long handle na to hang your towel, because if you put towel for inside, it go wet. But when you wan enter, you hang your towel for here. So they are all direct factory black, and this one is also 280,000. If they open,
I see both sides.
yes, they open both sides. Anyhow you want them, you open them, I close them back.
Okay. You want to check again?
Yeah, maybe check. Get another one for here.
Okay.
And from here also, now the 5 feet we get for here also. So same accessory, same glass, 10 mm tempered glass, and this one is also 5 feet. Towel hanger, where you go put your hanger where you enter, and this one wey dey on top na bracing for this one, so that e go solid. See am, see say e no dey shake. Na the work wey e dey do, na im be that. And this one na also 300,000.
300,000 also.
Yes.
Okay.
So now the last one, now be this, now also 5 feet, same glass, 10 mm tempered glass, and same accessory, direct black from the factory.
Okay.
And
So
also 300,000.
300,000.
Yes.
So oga, these ones where you dey tell us so, the money 300,000. Now plus the installation.
No installation, no dey. Na only for the production of this glass, because this section e get so many section. Inside that 300,000, we go cut the glass, we go dull am. We have two type of dulling. There is handmade dulling and there is industrial dulling. And all this glass wey you dey see na industrial dulling. If you see am from up, you go see the finishing, see as e smooth. So na industrial dulling. And from that 300,000, you go cut the glass, you go transport am go factory, then go toughen am, carry am back before you carry am come site. So na inside you dey buy all these accessories too. So installation per one shower within Lagos and Ogun, we do am for our people 30,000. But if you are doing many, that time we go know how we go arrange ourselves. Yes.
Okay. So Oga, if our viewers need to make come work for them for other parts of the country, especially the west, or your Osun, Ekiti, Ondo, Ogun State, when they so Lagos and Kwara, if you go there, go work.
Yes.
So make you give us your phone number in case our viewers they want reach you.
08032349819.
Okay.
08032349819.
Okay. So Oga, this particular work, what we can do so? If you tell our viewers how much everything cost.
So if you want to do this kind of thing, maybe say you get this size or idea, something way close, where you get like 5 feet, will be 3 numbers, and you have 4 feet, will be 2 numbers. Depend on your location, because of location depend on transportation. But everything we finish the thing wey you have for a year na 1,650,000.
1,650,000.
Based on the current price wey dey market currently.
Okay. So our viewers all over the world, John tell una say thank you for the time when until they watch our videos and the motivation when una dey give us. Say thank you all and God bless.